Hello students, today we will start with 8th class maths. As you know, I already explained chapter number 1 exercise 1.1. I explained to you about rational number. So today we will start exercise number 1.2. So let us talk about absolute value of a rational number. Absolute value of a rational number is the numerical value of the rational number regardless of its sign. It is written in your book, regardless of its sign means we will not consider the sign of the rational number whether it is positive or negative. We just only check the numerical means number form. Suppose we have a rational number minus 1 upon 2. So its absolute value, we will take the sign this is known as a modulus of minus 1 upon 2 means absolute value of minus 1 upon 2. This sign represent modulus. Modulus means, or in the short form you can read as a mod. Okay, you can also read it as a mod of minus 1 upon 2. Automatically you are saying the absolute value of minus 1 upon 2. So here we will not consider this sign, we just take this numerical value. It's 1 upon 2. So its answer is 1 upon 2. So its property is, if we will take modulus of or absolute value of any number like minus a, it will be equal to modulus of a. And if we will add two integers or rational numbers, suppose a and b are two rational numbers, we are adding, so its value either it will be equal to mod of a plus mod of b, or mod of a plus b will be less than mod of a plus mod of b. So let us come to exercise 1.2. First question is, give the absolute value of each of the following. First question is 2 upon 3. So we will write mod of 2 upon 3 is equal to 2 upon 3. Here is no negative sign, so we will not consider the sign. We just write its answer 2 upon 3. And next number is minus 7 upon 3, second part. So we will take its mod. Its answer will be 7 upon 3. We will not take this negative sign. We just take the numbers. And number is 7 upon 3. Similarly, minus 1 answer will be 1. And 0 answer will be 0. Other part too, you can try yourself. And second question is, question number 2 is, verify property minus a mod is equal to mod of a. So first part is minus 3 upon 5. So a is equal to minus 3 upon 5. So mod of a, first of all we will take this left hand side. Left hand side is minus a mod or absolute value of minus a is equal to mod of minus, and a is here minus 3 upon 5. So negative will be positive. So mod of 3 upon 5 and its absolute value is 3 upon 5, means we will not consider the any sign, we will take the numerical value. And on right hand side, mod of a is equal to 3 upon 5, this minus 3 upon 5. So again its answer will be 3 upon 5 because we will not consider this negative sign. So these two answers are same. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence minus a is equal to mod of minus a is equal to mod of a is verified. Similarly, you can do other parts also by taking a is equal to 5 upon minus 6, 4 upon 5, minus 18 upon minus 25, and last part is 0 upon minus 1. And question number 3 is property number second कि verify mod of a plus b is either less than or equal to mod of a plus mod of b for the following values of a and b. Now we will take its first part. First part is a is equal to 7 upon 3. A is equal to 7 upon 3. B is equal to 2 upon 3. So a plus b mod will be 7 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3. So denominators are same and its LCM will be 3. So numerators we can directly add. So 7 plus 2 is equal to 9 upon 3. Then 9 divided by 3 is 3 and mod of 3 is equal to 3. Again mod of a we will now take it separately. 7 upon 3 mod is 7 upon 3 and b mod is 2 upon 3 mod is equal to 2 upon 3. Now we will add these two. Mod of a plus mod of b. 7 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3. LCM will be 3 because denominators are same in both rational numbers. So 3. 7 plus 2. 9 upon 3 is equal to 3. Now these two answers are same. It means mod of a plus b is equal to mod of a plus mod of b is verified. Similarly, you can take another part also. Minus 3 upon 2. Here in second part a is equal to minus 3 upon 2. B is equal to 3 upon 4. First of all, we will solve mod of a plus b is equal to minus 3 upon 2 plus 3 upon 4 mod. Here denominators are different, so we will take LCM of 2 and 4. LCM of 2 and 4. So LCM is 2 multiply 2 is equal to 4. LCM is 4 here. So we will make the denominator 4. Now 4 divided by 2 is 2. So to make its denominator 4, we will multiply by 2. So minus 3 multiplied by 2 is minus 6 plus 4 divided by 4 is 1. So 3 ones are 3. Now this is negative, this is positive. So minus plus minus. 6 minus 3 is 3. So 6 is bigger number. It is negative. So answer will be negative. So minus 3 upon 4, absolute value is 3 upon 4. Now mod of A is equal to, take this value, minus 3 upon 2, 3 upon 2, and mod of B is equal to 3 upon 4 mod is equal to 3 upon 4. Now add these two separately, mod of A plus mod of B. So 3 upon 2 plus 3 upon 4. So it's LCM of 2 and 4 is already done here, 4 LCM. So 4. Now same procedure, 4 divided by 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6, plus 4 divided by 4 is 1, 3 1s are 3. So 6 plus 3 is 9 upon 4. So if we will consider mod of A plus B is equal to 3 upon 4 and mod of A plus mod of B is equal to 9 upon 4. If we will compare these two, so this number is smaller. So hence mod of A plus B is less than mod of A plus mod of B. Verified. Similarly, you can do third part also yourself by same procedure. By this method you will solve yourself third part. Then question number 4. Question number 4 is verify that mod of A multiply mod of B here mod of A multiply B is equal to mod of A multiply mod of B. So in first part A is equal to minus 1 upon 3 and B is equal to 1 upon 2. So mod of A multiply by B is equal to mod of minus 1 upon 3 multiply by 1 upon 2. We will multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. You know the procedure very well. So here minus 1 multiply by 1 is minus 1, 3 to the 6. So its answer is 1 upon 6. So mod of A is equal to, A value is minus 1 upon 3. So its answer is 1 upon 3, and mod of B is equal to mod of 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2. So separately we will multiply mod of A multiply mod of B is equal to 1 upon 3 multiply by 1 upon 2. So its answer is 1 upon 6. So if you will observe, these two answers are same. So hence mod of A multiply by B is equal to mod of A multiply by mod of B is verified. I think you understand this question. Another two parts you will do yourself. Then question number 5. Which rational numbers have the following absolute value? Means, suppose first part is 5 upon 7. You will have to tell the which rational number should have this absolute value 5 upon 7. You can say whether it can be negative or positive. So its answer will be minus 5 upon 7 and 5 upon 7. Because if you will take its minus 5 upon 7 absolute value, answer will be 5 upon 7. If you will take positive 5 upon 7, then again its answer will be 5 upon 7. And second part is 3 upon 8. So in 3 upon 8, it can be the absolute value of minus 3 upon 8 and 3 upon 8. Answer. So another two parts you can do yourself. like 2 upon 7 will be the value of absolute value of minus 2 upon 7 or 2 by 7, and similarly 0 can be the absolute value of 0. So student, here is the end of the assignment number 2. Practice it at home. All the best. Thank you.